How's it going, YouTube? Back with another van video. Good news, my parts came in. I found a powered mirror, finally. 60 bucks. Now, I also got the window in for this side. So, been cleaning it up. There's Chungs. Hi, Chungs. Had a scrubby towel thingy, some Dawn dish soap, just went around underneath everything. And now, we're simply giving the old gasket a little bit of lube here. And we're just... Is it the right way? Is it gonna help? I sure hope so. It ain't gotta be perfect, just get some lubrication on there. Come on. I'm not really good at following the camera with one hand, as you can see. But basically, you get your lube on there and you just kind of try and rejuvenate the old gasket. This is where the window seals, obviously. You guys know that. If you don't, you do now. And this is just some CIP lube, so this side's really got it on thick. Okay. You can just kind of, and we'll wipe it back off after we're done. Just let it sit for a little while and soak in if it can. See, like over here where it's dry, grab some of this crap over here, go, that's too much there. And we got it. You could have a glove on if you wanted to. I don't. It's just, this isn't too bad for you. Damn it, I didn't want to get it. It's all right. It's a messy job. Just like your mom. Oh, got him with a your mom joke. And the ducks. Hey, shut up over there, ducks. I'm just kidding, I love them. So like up here, it's already starting to soak in. It's good. I'll just give them another little. There we go. So, for any of you working on a 19, I think they made them in 89, but 90 to 96 Pontiac Trans Sport or Chevy Lumina van, or the Oldsmobile Silhouette, and you need to replace one of these windows, either side. It's pretty straightforward. You got, I've already taken the bracket off that it looks like this here, the pivot point. So you just boom. So that come off, 2 bolts. I don't know the size, but they're, let me take one out for you. They're roughly, you can get them with an Allen key. They're not that tight. About that long. Right next to my long ass fingernails. Oh, swearing. But then over here, you just kind of lift this back. I'm sure this comes off, but I'm not going to try and take it off. So you got 2 screws on the bottom and 2 screws on the top, if you can see it, that hold the actual latching and sealing mechanism in. It works pretty good. I'm going to save this piece and the piece that's over here for the broken glass. It looks like you can just slot that out, put it on another window if you needed to. So that's the plan. It's literally just Phillips screwdriver or Phillips heads in there. Not too bad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the whole window pane over here. I'm probably going to have someone help me, but I don't want it to break. It took forever to get that thing in here. I had one that shattered. Not the fault of the seller. It's just typical shipping stuff. But the other one came in perfectly fine. It's tinted and everything. I'm not particular. I would have taken a clear glass because I can always tint it later. But this will come out and then start here, and then literally it's just rotate the glass in and then just do your sealing points. So that's all I got. I might show a picture of the finished result or like a still of me holding the glass and everything. So I would assume it'd be easier to take this off, but like I said, I'm not doing that. I'm also going to just ignore this. That's just fiberglass. The window will cover that. I'm going to ignore this gasket too. And I have a spare tail light. We're going to put that in, but I'm going to replace the bulbs with some old style xenon bulbs, like I said in the last video. Maybe touch that up. We'll see what happens. I'm not too picky. Like, that'll touch up all right. It's just marks. But then we'll get to driving. This van will be Beautiful. Hopefully, while I was talking and pointing, everything was in frame, but if not, just cuss me out in the comments. It'll be fine. So, and as you can see, the back of the van is actually in pretty good condition. Aside from all the glass everywhere, we're in pretty good condition. Headliner needs a little work, but what doesn't on a 30-year-old car? Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I wonder if there's a release mechanism back here for this door. Oh well. That's all I got. Those ABS window vents will be going on soon enough, as well as replacing this front window. So, alrighty, YouTube. Thanks for viewing my weird-ass content. Peace.